Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to do the fingerprint speed test unlock comparison between the OnePlus Nord 2 versus Realme X1 Max device. So this is a fingerprint speed test which I'm trying to do after the recent software updates. Just couple of days back, I did receive the software update in the OnePlus Nord 2, and just today, I think maybe 5 to 6 hours ago, I did receive the software update in the Realme X1 Max as well. And this is a question which has been requested by a few of the subscribers. Let me try to show you exactly the comment what I got here. As you can see, these are the comments which I'm trying to get on the Realme X1 Max, even on the OnePlus Nord 2 as well. Same kind of comment regarding the fingerprint scanner. So it's kind of slowed down. That is what a few of the users are actually facing, not all of them. So I'm not saying all of them, only few of them they are facing. But in this video, I'll try to explain to you clearly which phone is unlocking faster. Let's see. There are two different methods of unlocking. First is when the phone lock screen is completely on. So this is one type of unlocking. Second method is when the phone lock screen is completely off and now you're trying to unlock. These are the two methods which we need to test which phone is faster in terms of unlocking speed. That is what I'm going to exactly demonstrate in this video. And for the first time, I'm trying to do this kind of slow motion test as well. So we just want to see which phone is unlocking faster. So that is the reason I need to record this video completely in the slow motion. So only then you will be able to see exactly what is happening in terms of the unlocking. So two methods are there. First, let's try when the phone screen is on, and next method is when the phone screen is off mode. And during this time, I'm trying to use the always on display functionality to get that kind of availability of the screen. So that is the reason. So let's get started, friends, without wasting any time. So right now, as you can see, friends, we'll be playing in the slow motion. So you can clearly see that Realme X1 Max is unlocking slightly faster than the OnePlus Nord 2 device. As you can see, friends, clearly. I'm trying to use it at the same time. At the same time, I'm trying to unlock. It's happening, as you can see, the Realme X1 Max slightly faster than the OnePlus Nord 2 device in terms of the unlocking speed. You can see here how quickly it did unlock, just a little bit. So only you'll be able to notice if you watch in slow motion. So other than that, it should be kind of both should be kind of good. So only because of the slow motion only you'll be able to feel this kind of difference, which phone has got what type of difference. So right now when the screen is in on mode, so next video I'll try to show you when the screen is in off mode. So now you'll be able to get to know how is the difference. So right now both phones are completely screen off, only the always on display is running. So right now if you try to pick up the phones from the table, so let's see right now which phone will be able to unlock faster. As you can see, even when the screen is in off mode also, the Realme X1 Max is slightly unlocking faster. And one more quick note is that the OnePlus Nord 2 sometimes it's not recognizing. I'll try to show you the video. So till right now the OnePlus Nord 2 did unlock fast a little bit, not bad. So it's kind of little bit kind of difference is there. Yes, just a little bit difference, not much difference. So let's see the final time again. Yes. So in the screen off mode, maybe the OnePlus Nord 2 slightly unlocking maybe faster. But sometimes the OnePlus Nord 2 is not detecting. Sometimes, yes, I did face this kind of issues. Sometimes. So that's what I'm going to demonstrate right now. So this with the screen on mode. But couple of times I did face the issues. Maybe in a day, maybe close to 3 to 4 times, but not a big deal. But in the Realme X1 Max, I did not face any kind of issues regarding the not recognizing properly. As you can see right now, it's not recognizing. So even though I place my finger properly, sometimes, yes, sometimes it happens in the OnePlus Nord 2 device, not in the Realme X1 Max. As you can see, friends, at the same time I'm trying to press, I need to press very hard a little bit. So this is a quick review between both phones in terms of the fingerprint speed test unlocking. And in case if you have any other doubts, let me know in the comment section below. And this is a review which I'm trying to do after the software update only. Yes, after the software update, these are the results which we got right now. And thank you for watching this video, friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Definitely I'll be able to make those kind of videos as soon as possible for all of you. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned. Signing off. Bye.